How to fix overheating on Galaxy S26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, click on device care. Now here scroll down, click on performance profile. So click on light. So after click on lights, go back to settings. Now in settings, scroll down, click on display and click on dark. After click on dark, you will increase or decrease brightness from here, and after go back to settings. Now in settings, scroll down, click on battery, and now in battery scroll down, you will see power saving. So turn on power saving button. So after turn on power saving button, so go back. So after the procedure, go back to home screen and refresh phone. So that's how you can fix overheating on Galaxy S26. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.